Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Mia and I focus a lot on vegan cooking. Today we are going to be making some vegan buttermilk biscuits. These are very simple and really quick to make. I'm going to start out by making vegan buttermilk by combining 2 cups of almond milk, you can use whatever milk you want, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We are going to stir that together, set that aside while we prep our flour mixture. For the flour mixture, we are going to combine 5 cups of all-purpose flour. You guys can use whole wheat flour. Sometimes I put in a few cups of that as well. And we are going to mix about a tablespoon of salt with 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I know that sounds a lot, but that's what's going to make them really flaky. And then I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to mix that together, and we are going to cube in really cold vegan butter. You can also use coconut oil for this. I am sprinkling each butter cube with flour so they don't stick to each other. I added a cup of butter. I don't know if I said that before. Also, the recipe is in the description below if you cannot follow along with the video.
It's not for me to say.
Now we are going to use but I don't actually know what this thing is called. But I'm basically using this thing that has a lot of cutting things, and I'm going to cut the butter into the flour mixture. And now I'm going to make a well in the middle of the flour mixture and add in the buttermilk. I had too small of a bowl, so I had to add in the buttermilk half at a time, a cup at a time. To mix the buttermilk in, and once the dough has come together, and it will still be quite sticky, but all the flour is incorporated in with the liquids, I am going to turn out the dough on to the cutting board, and I'm going to make sure my cutting board is thoroughly covered in flour so it does not stick to my cutting board. While I knead the dough on the cutting board, I'm going to add as much flour as I need. I think I added about an extra half a cup of flour, so the dough became not sticky and very easy to work with. I just knead the dough like I do a bread dough. Once the dough is well combined, I'm going to roll it out using a rolling pin to about an inch thickness, and then I will flip in the sides to create an envelope fold, and I will roll it out again after that, and I will do that process a total of 4 times. Once that is done, I'm going to roll out the dough to a 1/2 inch thickness and finally cut my biscuits. My biscuit shapes are quite weird because my dad wanted to have a vegan cookout, and we put hot dogs in them, vegan hot dogs in them, so they are quite long. You guys can cut them to whatever shape you want. Now I'm putting them onto a baking sheet with a silicone mat or parchment paper. Before they go in the oven, I'm going to brush them slightly with almond milk. I'm going to put them into an oven at 425 for 15 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, they should be golden brown on the top and flaky on the sides. I'm gonna let them cool for a few minutes.
It's not for me to say.
And I'm going to crack into one now and eat it because I can't wait. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of these vegan cooking videos. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.